Today we are finally going to find out if the car is still leaking. In the last episode I have replaced the timing chain cover and the water hose and the water temperature sensor. I'm hoping that is not going to leak because I don't want to take everything back once again. And since the last episode I worked a little bit of camera, but just this stuff here. I put the plastic cover and the air filter boxes. So minor stuff. I didn't work anything else. I didn't start the car because I didn't have enough coolant. Now we have enough coolant and now we are going to start the car in order to see if we have any kind of leak. Before we start the car, I want to show you that we have coolant at the right level. In here is the indicator. When the engine is cold, you have to have this plastic thing leveled with the edge of the reservoir. We have a little bit more, but because I didn't run the car enough, I put just a little bit more. Okay, now we are going to check the oil and we are going to start the car. Quick change of plan, because I just received a call from the inspection shop that I can drive the car now. They have a window for me and I can let the car tested. I'm not sure if everything is fixed, but I'm gonna give it a try. Yeah, I put everything back together on the car. I hope I've cleaned everything from the last oil drain. And yeah, no more talking. Let's take the car out and let's drive it to the inspection shop. We have to leave the car in there because they are going to test the car tomorrow, I think. First we have to drive quickly to that shop to take some number plates because the car is unregistered and I cannot drive the car without numbers. Yeah, let's hope we will receive inspection. Oh my god, I'm a little bit nervous because I didn't have the chance to check the whole car. I just put it back together. I hope it won't leak and I hope everything else is working. I know that the windows are working because I fixed that. The seats are working. I've topped up all the fluids in the car, even the washers for the windshield, for the headlights, because they are checking everything here in Germany. All the lights, I think we will receive inspection, boys. So I'm not going to bore you with this kind of stuff. I'm gonna take the numbers. I wanted to wash the car because it's sitting for a long time and it's all dusty, but it's raining anyway outside, but I don't think I have the time to do that, and we are going to send it. I hope we will receive inspection. I'm gonna update you. Let me show you something. We have the first problem with the 435i. See how fast the wipers are working? Because something is not working, something else is not working. Let me try to show you, just a second, to go in the straight line. Oh, nice Audi. Okay, so we see that the wipers are on automatic mode, and this is not cut the video. See that the wipers are not working, and still on auto mode, and I can see shit. Oh my god, I cannot see anything. So once again, clean. Auto mode is engaged and it's not working. Yeah, this is the first problem, and it's kind of a big problem because in this time in Germany we don't have snow or ice, we have rain for like 2 or 3 weeks in a row. So this is a real problem. I'm going to scan the car to see what's wrong, and I'm gonna update you on this problem soon. Let's open the doors and drive the car to inspection now. Please don't make strange noises. Please don't leak, because I worked a lot in here. Oh, it's not even clean, but they won't check that. Let's see, moment of truth. Starts normal, no check engine light, nothing. the lights work. Okay, seatbelt on, boys. Drive, and we are good to go. I'm pretty sure we will receive inspection because other than these leaks the car didn't have any kind of problems. Turn signal works in a BMW, which is pretty good, pretty damn good. So home now. I'm in the E39. I have the papers in here from the inspection, and you can guess we received the inspection or not. That's a good question. And yeah, no more talking. Let's see what we've done at the inspection shop. And in here we have the papers. This is the old. Are the papers from the old inspection with the papers for the sport exhaust. In Germany you have to have papers for every mod on your car. So we have this, and this is the new papers from the inspection, and they found that the oil was the engine was with oil, and I think this is just a residual oil because I replaced everything and the engine should be dry. I'm going to recheck that. And the brake light wasn't working, but I fixed that. I had some light bulbs in the trunk, and I fixed that. And for that we received the inspection. Hee, we've done it. Now we can drive the car on the road legally. Yeah, we have to register the car first, and after that. But I parked the car in here in the front yard because we have something else in the garage. These are the keys from my car. My car is right in there. See that? Oops. Okay. And no, I didn't bought the second key for my car. Just a second to show you. Nothing happens because we have a new project car in the garage. And no more talking. Let's go in the garage to see what we have. Both of the Beamers are parked in here. Now let's check the garage for the new project car. This is a surprise, and this one doesn't have too much problems. Oops, see that? This is the new project car. Yeah, we have another BMW 5 Series, but this one is a 2012 model. In fact, this one was built in 2011 after September, and they called it the next model. This one looks perfect and it's amazing. It doesn't have any kind of bumps and dents and scratches and stuff like that. This one has a 3-liter diesel engine. We just have to check. On the engine side had some small problems. We are going to check. It has the head-up display. Just a second to search for the key. Yep. And let's see how many kilometers this one has. Over 220,000 kilometers. Let's see what's happened if we start the car. Start without a problem. No errors, nothing. We just have to see in here on the information about the car. Check control, it's okay. Service, everything is okay on this car. And if you want to ask why I have this car in here, and the problem is this car has in fact I'm gonna tell you in the next episode when we are going to check everything on this car. And I think I'm going to close this video here. In the next episode I'm going to check everything that's wrong with the car, and I'm going to start repairing the car. For sure, maybe we have to order some parts. I'm not really sure because I didn't done any kind of work on this car. I've just parked the car last night in here. But we are going to check for sure everything that's wrong with the car, and we are going to fix everything on this car. The good news is that the E39 is fixed. It's solved all the problems with the oil leaking part, with the water leaks. We have inspection now, and we are going to try to work on both cars. But I think the next episode will be about this car because it doesn't have too much problem, and I think I can fix it in one episode. After that, we are going to continue on the E39. We are going to clean the whole car. We are going to buff the exterior, and we are going to find somebody that can fix all the rust spots on the E39. I don't want to do that myself because I want to look good, and I'm not that good in that area, yeah, with body filler and repairs, rust repairs, and that's why I'm going to leave all that repair to somebody else. So join me on the next episode if you want to see what's wrong with this car, if we can fix it on one episode. And if you like this episode, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, as usual, thumbs down. Until next time, see you later.